Yeah, because when you said 10 minutes, it was more than 10 minutes because it wasn't 1 o'clock yet. Yes.
Yes, but it's more than 10 minutes, like you said.
Not Faisal. No.
Doesn't work like this.
No, bad Faisal, bad.
Go on. Your favorite.
We're continuing with the practice exam. What question did we do last time? The electricity or something, wasn't it?
Yeah. 872.
We did that last. So we skipped A8, was it?
Yeah, 8, 9,
Right, so let's go on to the next one then. Can you open it up? Or I can put it here too. Oh, here we go. We did this last time, didn't we? And we did this last time. Now we're on to A7. We have not done this. Okay. Did you get A7 finished?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we'll do A7 now. A lorry of mass 3,500 kilograms is towing a trailer of mass 1,400. So the first one here, this is 3,500. And this one here is 1,400. And the acceleration here is 3 meters per second squared.
Could you just explain the verb towing?
Pulling. That's all it is. La. La, la, la.
There is no in Arabic.
Right. What is the magnitude of this force? So, there's a force here from the engine, of course, which is F, and then there's also the tension or the towing forces between the two here. So, using good old F equals ma, we get F equals 4900 times 3. Which is, 4.7 kilonewtons. And that is that for part 1. And part 2, what is the T? So now, if we only look at this guy, T is the force, which is equal to ma, which is equal to 1,403, which is 46, isn't it, 100? 4,200. 4.2 kilonewtons. That is it. That is 4 marks.
Why don't we look at the second one? The one on the right.
The T?
Yeah.
No, not the T, but like,
The one.
isn't this an object and this one is pulling it?
Yeah.
So doesn't this have...
But if we're only looking at the 1,400, the 1,400, its existence, it can only feel this T here. It's like it doesn't know anything else exists, if that makes sense. So like, this is its life.
Yes, so that means that both keys can't be the same.
No, both T's must be the same.
Yeah, but if we like took the other one,
The same way we did this.
Okay, so you're saying apply my logic for the second one,
Yeah.
see what you get for T, if you think you're so smart, Mr. Stephen, and let's see that it's different. That will show you, won't it? Well then, Yusuf, let's see what happens. So now this time, we'll look at the life of this lorry. So this lorry has a difficult life because it has two forces acting on it. So you have F minus T equals ma. And you're thinking, oh, I didn't consider that. Oh, Oh yeah, no, this will make a difference, won't it? So I get T equals F minus MA, which is 14700 minus 3500 times 3, which is 4200, which is 4.2 kilonewtons. Oh, he did it using maths, oh yeah. Believe me now?
well, it was just...
yeah. Oh, you believe me, just wanted to make sure, yeah. Yeah, so the T's, in fact, there's a little trick here. I know for a fact, whenever you have problems with strings or wires or cables, the tensions at either end must be the same. Otherwise, the string is contracting or expanding. In fact, I don't even think it is a string. I think it's like some kind of towing beam or something, yeah. It's not changing its shape, which means the forces at either end must be cancelling each other. Continue? Yes? Right, so the next one we can do. Sorry, I need to use the correct verb. The next one we should be able to do.
We should.
Yes, I said the next one we can do, which assumes that you are able to do it. So I should have said the next one we should be able to do.
Question 8?
No, not 8,
No,
not 9,
10.
not 10,
11.
11 and 12. Yeah, so okay, 11 and 12 now, please, and then I'll do 11 and 12 together. So try both.
Was doing photoelectric back in second semester. You probably wavelength.
Rho in the formula.
It's given here, yeah.
Is it the resistance?
Resistivity.
Or and
Actually, maybe I'll do them one at a time. Are we nearly finished 11? Come in, Fuang. Why are you so late? You are too late for attendance for this class. I'll mark you absent, but you can still come in. Look at the time. You don't want to stay?
You can stay, but you will be marked as absent.
Yes.
You can have the lesson.
Huh?
You can stay.
Can?
Can.
Yes, stay.
Stay, please stay.
Sit there.
But I will mark you absent,
One absent here.
not here,
One.
because you're so late.
But I'm here.
For less than half the class. What were you eating that took so long?
Because it's too hot.
So you have to eat it slowly. You have to wait for it to cool.
No.
So why is too hot making you late?
Because eggs and it eats.
yes, so you did.
Sit. Have you got 11 done now? What's wrong? No? Finished 11? Faisal? You done 11?
I'm sending you an email with the picture.
Okay. Yahi?
Almost.
Almost. Wong? Yusuf? Okay.
How many days, not attendance will be minus, will be lose mark?
For today?
Oh,
0.5.
In total? I think you've only missed 2 classes for me.
How many?
But they calculate total, right?
Total number of classes, yeah.
So how many?
Well, we have about 100 classes in total, about maybe 110. And you've missed 2 of my classes. 1 because of the bus and 2 because of now, so you will have like 98 from 100.
No, I mean, how many, will be lose mark?
Percent for your attendance. Not much. How many hours do you have today? How many hours do you have a week?
No, I mean,
6 hours now.
how many classes do not go will be lose mark?
I think she mean, would you lose mark in the exam if you absent?
No, you don't lose any marks.
Yeah, like 10%.
Yeah.
Your exam grade does not change.
Yeah, but I mean the total. Not
You're
the
absent, if you're absent more than 20%, then you get deported, you can get sent back to Vietnam.
Really?
Yes. If you're absent, if your attendance.
They
No.
probably do. They probably wait for a bit more than 20
Yeah.
before they deport you.
Yeah, they don't deport you until your visa expires, then they won't renew it.
Yeah. Your grade is not affected by your attendance. You don't get punished by your grade.
Yeah, but in total it will be
You just missed.
No,
for your final grade, no.
no, not final grade.
Final attendance.
Yeah.
Final attendance will probably decrease by. This is 1 hour, and what have you got? 25 hours in a week.
But the percentage now will be different than the percentage later on. at the end
Yes,
of
thank
the
you,
term.
Faisal. I know how percentages work. Thank you. What have you got? Like 500? I don't know. Probably like 0.1% maybe.
For every day. For every hour.
Yeah.
That's a lot of that.
Hey, Robert, you've only missed 2 classes with me, right?
But also chemistry and.
Oh, chemistry. Oh, I didn't know you missed your chemistry.
Like the bus truck and then.
Yeah, she only missed 1 day. She's concerned by that 1 day.
Really?
Yeah, I missed a week.
Yeah, this guy, and look, he's mostly okay.
Yeah. I missed the first week.
Yeah.
Next week doesn't
Don't think
have
as an
to
answer.
Yeah, but I think I had another week after that actually. I wasn't here. So like I missed 2 weeks, one of them doesn't count.
And what's your percentage attendance?
97.
97, yeah.
How
He
do-
missed a
how do
week
you
and he's
check?
at
How
97.
is yours 97? I'm 97.
How do you check?
How do you check?
When the letter put the UNC visa, had the attendance.
Oh, I didn't check. Re-entry visa.
Okay, let's have a look at this one now. Finished it?
Yeah.
Yeah, right. So, what formula are we using here? Yusuf, what's the formula here for this one?
Rho equals RA over M.
Oh yeah, but the original formula before you rearrange it. R equals rho L over A. Now, what do they give us here? They probably give us I think they give us everything except the A, isn't it?
Except yeah.
Yeah, so you have the L, the R, and the rho. So if I rearrange this, I can say A equals rho L over R. What do they say the row is, please?
4.8
Small
minus
point.
4.8?
10.
It's
2.
4.82
Yeah, times 10 to the power minus 7.
minus 7.
Yes.
And the length?
0.8.
And the resistance?
7.744.
7.744. So let us calculate the area once this catches up with me.
4.98 times 10 times 6.
Let me just take it back out of the statistics and what I was in earlier. Right, so, right, what was the first number? The row, wasn't it?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, what was that again?
4.82 times 10 minus 7.
And then the next thing was the length, which is 0.
8.
And then divided by the resistance,
7.744.
7.744. This gives me the area. Now, I don't think they want the area. What did they want?
Diameter.
The diameter. And we can assume it's a circle.
Yes.
So this is equal to pi r squared. And we want the r. And then the diameter, yeah. I don't think I need to write that down, do I? So what do I do next here?
Divide by 5.
Divide by pi, correct.
And square root.
Very good.
And very good, then square root the answer.
And then times 2.
And this is the radius. So then I multiply by 2. Oops, missed my multiply. And this is the diameter. What unit should we use here? Centimeters? No.
Meter.
Yeah, but 10 to the minus 4. I think milli might be too small. What's after milli? What's smaller than milli?
Deci,
Micro.
deca.
Did you say dizzy?
Either deci or deca.
No, smaller than milli.
Micro.
Micro's the next one, isn't it? Which is 10 to the minus 6. So I'll divide this by 10 to the minus 6 to make it as micro. So 252 micrometers is the answer.
Or we can leave it.
Or you can leave it. But it's good practice to do this. 252 micrometers is the diameter.
Micro is
Mu. Okay, you have that? Yes, continue? Okay. Next, 12. Try this one now. Yeah, what's the sled? It's what children sit on in the snow to go down a hill. Yes. In the snow. You know? Yes. Hey. Yeah, go ahead, Jack. Yeah, just watch the cans of Guinness there from one of the students. Why'd you have a Guinness bag? See you later. Was there Guinness in it at some point?
Probably.
Who knows? Not at the moment, though.
Not mine.
Not yours, yes. Oh, I don't judge. I'm not judgmental. Right, do we have this one now? Do you understand what's going on here?
Paper. But it was paper.
You thought it was paper?
Paper bag.
And what is it then?
Not paper.
What is it then?
Some kind of some plastic foam.
That's better than paper.
It's not recyclable.
Who cares about that?
Just a couple of kg.
You don't care about that stuff, do you? What country are you from? I definitely don't care about that.
here they make the paper bag.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, they feel weird when we tell them we don't pay for
That
bread.
was the weirdest thing I ever.
Yeah, like they ask you whether you want the bag, like, oh, the cashier.
Yeah, the cashier for it.
13 euros then.
The first time I went to Tesco, like, the
Says, do you want the bag? You're like, yeah. No, he said, "Oh, just carry it." I'm like, yeah. And then 30 cents was like, whoa, slow down there. It's a tax, eco tax, you know. to try and discourage use of plastic bags.
Do you pay tax for driving in there? No, we don't pay any tax.
Yeah, just wait until the oil runs out, then you'll start paying tax.
So
Not
you
an
can get
analyze,
them,
I believe, so I don't care.
then tourism is gonna.
Yeah, hang on, let me see now. Where do I want to go on my holidays? Go to Spain, France, Portugal, Iraq.
Not Iraq.
I think I'll go to Spain.
Yeah.
No, we're talking
I
about the
lived in
countries
Oman
we've lived in.
my whole life, kind of.
Oman sounds okay. Yes. Well, I think it's still a couple of decades of oil left, so you should be tax free for a while. Yeah.
My whole life.
Well, it depends on how long you plan to live, I suppose. If it's not too long, then yes, definitely tax free. Yes. But if you're planning 70 or more, then you know.
But even there is tax. It's just indirect.
Yeah, it's
No,
alright.
the only tax there is was a 9%. If you dine in restaurants, if you pay a tourism tax and municipality tax, I don't know how to
Okay.
pay it. I don't know.
Tax for the tourists.
No,
And then
we
they
don't
foreigners.
have that. We don't have that.
They removed it, so it's only 4% now. That's the only tax. Only if you go and eat from the fast food restaurants.
For now.
Yeah.
We-
Alright, try this one now.
a momentum question?
Ours is like full gate.
I think, is it a collision?
Yes.
Then it's conservation of momentum.
What's the formula for momentum?
Oh my goodness, M1U1 plus M2U2 is the momentum before the collision, equals,
M1V1, M2V2.
with the plus. Okay, try this one now.
Question on form.
Do you know what to do? You've got child A, and then moving with speed 6, and then collides with another child moving at speed 2.6, and then they crash.
And they form a new child.
Yeah. And they tell you the speed after the collision for A, and they want to know what's the speed of B.
That's it.
Yeah, they collide, but they bounce. They don't stick together. They're non-sticky children. They're more elastic children.
Non-stick surface.
Non-stick surface children, yeah.
That's the point.
Yes. Yes. Will I draw it for you?
Yeah,
What?
drawings always come.
Drawings are always good. So, I won't do it just yet, but I'll just draw it for you. So what's happening here? No. So what's the mass of the first child?
40.3. 42.3
42.3. And the speed?
meters per second.
And then the second child is mass?
50.5 kg.
And the speed?
2.6.
And then they collide, and this, I feel like they should head to the, I don't know actually, to the right after the collision, I think. What are we told after the collision? Can you read it there, Yahi?
After the collision, child A's ledge continues to move to its original direction at a speed of 0.5 backwards.
Aha. So then child B will also, of course, be moving to the right because it didn't pass through A. And obviously it must be moving faster than 0.55 because otherwise another collision would happen. So we're looking for the V here. All I know is I'm expecting a number bigger than 0.55.
I got a really big number.
Really big. What did you get?
7.6. Is that
That is not outrageous.
so it's possible?
It would have been more than what I would have guessed. I reckon you forgot the minus on your 2.6.
Yes, I did.
See how I knew that? Got it? What answer did you get?
1.92.
Sounds believable.
Every definition, my speed
Is this bad news?
What was your answer?
Got an answer, Fuan? What did you get?
It was 7.2.
You got the same answer as Yusuf. Yusuf, please tell Fuan what mistakes you made and she made.
The change the speed, make it a minus or a plus.
Which speed?
2.6.
Minus?
Why is 2.6 minus?
Because they're in opposite directions.
So, here's the answer. 42.3 times 6 plus 50.5 times minus 2.6 equals 42.3 times 0.55 plus 50.5 times V. And solving this gives you what for V, Yusuf?
2.43, but Lee got another answer.
What you got, Lee?
1.9.
1.97.
Ay caramba! Right, let's have a look here.
So,
50.5 on the bottom, and then on the top, 2.42.
Huh?
What did you get, Lee?
1.97.
How'd you get that?
I got 2.4.
2.4.
1.97.
It looks like it's 2.43.
Wait.
Ah, wait! Forgot about this guy.
1.9.
It was
1.97.
like us.
Yeah.
Yes.
In your face, Lee. Right, 1.97 meters per second. Yep. Okay, continue.
Why minus?
Minus? Yusuf, tell her why minus.
Because
Opposite direction.
what happens if we change the other X or
Other way.
yeah, only 256 is 250.
Then your answer will be minus 1.97.
Oh, if that is right.
The question asked probably for the speed. Yeah, so they said for magnitude, meaning they want the answer to be positive only.
Oh, wait, no.
No?
Determine the speed on the
Yeah, or you could say opposite to it, or you could say the same as A. Yeah, that would do nicely.
Wait, so what's the answer?
1.97 in the direction of A,
I got 2.
same direction as A. Oh, you're rounded. It's okay, but you need to be using more decimal places, dude.
Like this.
1.5.
Right, can we look now at B?
Oh, it's in bottom. Two is starts from something and ends to.
This is a very, very nice mechanics question. Excellent mechanics question. And I'll draw it for you to help you start it. A child throws a stone over the cliff with a speed of 11.4 and an angle of 40.
Ah.
11.4 meters per second at an angle of 40 degrees, and the cliff is unknown. But what we do know,
Angle, speed.
the time it takes to hit the ground is 5.75 seconds. Question 1. How long for the stone to reach the maximum height? And I'll even start this by showing you what to do at the beginning. You should resolve here. So this would be 11.4, 11.4, 540. Alright, I've given you more than enough. Part A is the time to reach the maximum height. So calculate that, please. What's the key for getting this time?
Huh?
The keyword.
The key idea to get this time. Yeah, but what's special about the maximum height?
Oh, B is 0.
Calculate. So the UVATS problem. Hey, come in. Come. Don't be shy. I want to know what class is next. Will you get the door? There's a shy student outside. Come, you have class in here in a few minutes?
Yeah.
Yeah, which teacher? Joan. Oh, she's never late. We better finish soon. Okay, I'll be finished in a minute. Yeah. If I knew which teacher it was, I'd know how much time I have. Joan, yeah. Joan is always exactly on time. So I have no margin of error. What time is it now? 53?
Solve A, go for it.
We'll solve A and then A part 1 and then we'll continue next time. Can you finish this exam? Can you finish this exam at home? Because the next class, I'm giving you a practice test. And then do you want a revision class on Friday?
Correct the test. Correct the test, just in case we have questions.
You want to have a revision class to correct the test that you're going to do tomorrow?
Next class I think tomorrow.
Yeah, the next class is a double class, isn't it, on Thursday? We don't have class tomorrow, or do we? We do? And this is when we're having the test? Tomorrow's Thursday? Today's Wednesday? Yeah, I thought today was Tuesday. Alright, result. Okay, so quickly here for this one. My life is so sad. U is 11.4 sine 40. V is 0. A is minus 9.81. T we don't know unless we want. What formula could I use here? V squared? V squared equals U squared plus 2AS. Is it okay? So S, can someone hit this in please? 11.4 sine 40 squared over 2 times 9.81. What's that please?
2.73.
I'm sorry, I screwed up.
Yeah,
They didn't want
the
this,
time.
they wanted the time, not the maximum height. So what formula should I use here? V equals U plus 8t, thank you. So the t is 11.4 sine 40 over 9.81. So the time to get up here is
747.
0.747 seconds to get here.
You divide it by
9.81.
It's minus 9.81.
Yeah, but it's also minus 11 point.
Time can't be negative, isn't it?
Well, it sort of can.
No.
For these equations.
Is that okay? Did you get 0.747? No, did you?
I didn't use 11.4 sine 40, I used 11.4 only.
So your time would be bigger.
Yes.
What time did you get? Like 2, 3?
1.1.
1.1, okay, yeah. Right, can you finish this section B at home? The answers are on Moodle, and then we'll have a practice test in our next class, okay?
What is this? Oh, this.
Exemplar, end of semester 1.